Hello and welcome to today's episode of Future Tech, where we explore the latest innovations and trends in science and technology. Today we're going to talk about Tesla, the company that is revolutionizing the electric car and clean energy industries. Tesla is not just a car company. It's a vision of a future where transportation and energy are powered by renewable sources, such as solar and wind. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy by producing electric vehicles, battery packs, solar roofs, and charging stations that are affordable, reliable, and fun to drive. Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers who wanted to prove that electric cars could be better than gasoline-powered cars. They started with the Tesla Roadster, a high-performance sports car that could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and had a range of 245 miles per charge. The Roadster was followed by the Model S, a luxury sedan that won numerous awards and became the best-selling electric car in the US. Then came the Model X, a crossover SUV with falcon wing doors and a spacious interior. And most recently, the Model 3, a more affordable and mass-market sedan that has been breaking sales records around the world. But Tesla is not just making cars. It's also making batteries that can store energy from solar panels or the grid and power homes and businesses. Tesla's Powerwall is a home battery system that can provide backup power or reduce electricity bills by shifting consumption to off-peak hours. Tesla's PowerPack is a larger-scale battery system that can support utility grids, microgrids, or renewable energy projects. And Tesla's Megapack is a massive battery system that can store up to 3 megawatt-hours of energy and replace peaker plants that run on fossil fuels. Tesla is also making solar products that can generate clean energy from the sun. Tesla's solar roof is a roof tile that looks like a normal roof but has solar cells embedded in it. Tesla's solar roof can produce enough electricity to power an entire home and blend in with the architecture. Tesla's solar panels are more conventional solar modules that can be installed on rooftops or ground-mounted systems. And Tesla's solar glass roof is a transparent roof that can let natural light in while generating electricity. Tesla is also making charging stations that can recharge its electric vehicles quickly and conveniently. Tesla's Supercharger network is a global network of fast charging stations that can add up to 200 miles of range in 15 minutes. Tesla's Supercharger network currently has over 25,000 stalls in 37 countries and regions. Tesla's Destination Charger network is a network of slower charging stations that can be found at hotels, restaurants, shopping centers, and other places where drivers can park for longer periods of time. Tesla's Destination Charger network currently has over 23,000 stalls in 54 countries and regions. Tesla is not only pioneering the future of electric cars and clean energy, but also the future of autonomous driving. Tesla's Full Self-Driving (FSD) technology is a suite of features that enable its vehicles to drive themselves in most scenarios, such as navigating highways, city streets, traffic lights, roundabouts, parking lots, and more. Tesla's FSD technology uses cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and neural networks to perceive the environment and make decisions. Tesla's FSD technology is constantly improving through software updates and data collection from its fleet of over 1 million vehicles on the road. Tesla is one of the most innovative and influential companies in the world today. It has changed the perception of electric cars from being boring and impractical to being exciting and desirable. It has challenged the status quo of the automotive and energy industries by offering products that are better for the environment and consumers. And it has inspired millions of people to dream of a future where transportation and energy are sustainable and accessible for everyone. That's all for today's episode of Future Tech. I hope you enjoyed learning about Tesla's future, electric cars, solar power, and more. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about Tesla or any other topic you want us to cover next time. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Future Tech.